Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Today I want to go over how to iframe a Google form onto your KW agent website. So the first thing that we want to do is come over and create the Google form. Um, we're going to use one of these templates just to keep it simple for today. But let's say you have an event coming up and you want to use this event registration, okay? So we're going to go ahead and select that one on our Google form. From there, we can customize this, okay? We can change out our photo, we can change our name. Maybe we want them to register for our first-time homebuyer seminar or whatever you are having. So go ahead and customize your form. You can put your details here, date, time, date or address, phone numbers, etc. And then you can plug in whatever you want them to fill out. Do you want their name, email, organization? If you don't need something, you can certainly delete that one. Okay. What days will you attend? Are there multiple days or is there just one? Obviously, we probably don't need dietary restrictions, so we're going to delete that one. We can delete that one as well. But then if there are additional questions you want to add, you can go ahead and add those as well. If it's a question, if you want to do short answer, paragraph, drop downs, they can fill out any of that and you can go ahead and update those questions, okay? Once you have your Google form ready to go, you're going to go ahead and you're going to publish that, okay? When you publish it, you want to make sure it's set that anyone with a link can view that, okay? Now you can shorten the link or use the full link. It doesn't really matter, but we're going to go ahead and copy that link now that this is published. And then we're going to head over to our KW command. Now from command, we're going to sign in and navigate to our website applet. Once we are under website, we're going to hit manage website. And then from here, we're going to go straight into expert mode in the top right. And once that loads, we're going to create a custom page. Okay, so we're going to use one of these quick start for custom page. We're going to name this first time home buyer. We can add a subtitle if we would like, up to you. We can add a photo behind the text if we'd like. You can upload an image or add image, but we're going to head straight into our module, okay? From there, we want to click on additional modules, and we're going to select the iFrame embed, okay? Now, once we do that, we're going to hit the little drop down. We're going to hit create new. And then we're going to go ahead and type this in. I'm just going to put Google Form. This is an internal name, so it's just for us. And then we can go ahead and paste that URL, okay? And once we do that, you're going to see that it populates our Google Form. From there, we can go ahead and publish this. And once we publish that, we should get a green banner letting us know it was successfully published. And then we can go back and pull in that new form, Google form, into our custom page, okay? We'll give it a second for that preview to update. Once that's done, we can remove this header if you want. Maybe you don't want that to show at all. You just want the Google form. That's totally up to you and how you would like this form to look or this custom page. But once you're done and you have this page set up how you want it, you can go ahead and just hit publish. Since this is a custom page, it's going to appear under your more drop-down automatically, and it usually takes about 30 minutes for that to appear. Okay, so in 30 minutes it should show up. Now keep in mind with a Google form, it's not going to funnel those contacts into command, so you would manually need to export that list once you're done if you're looking to add them to command to start putting them on smart plans or anything like that, okay? That is our tip video for today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, or if we can help with anything else, please reach out to our team. Our email is support@scotlandmarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.